Hey guys, I'm Clover. You're watching Soul of the Budgie. Stick around. Today I'm going to be telling you how I make my budgies food. This is in no means the right or wrong way to make your food. This is just how I make it. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so what I did now is I just chopped up some squash. The reason I'm chopping it up tinier is so that it can fit into the food processor. I chopped up some snap peas, or actually sugar snap peas, some celery, carrot. I did more carrot just because my birds seemed to really like it. Some curly parsley. My birds also seem to really like that. I did some bell pepper, but you could use any pepper since birds don't have the sense to feel the pain from hot peppers. And I still added in the seeds because those are completely safe for your parrot. I also added in some romaine lettuce. Whatever you do though, remember not to put in iceberg lettuce. I set together the food processor and put in all the food. Blended it up, and I just blended it up until I felt that it was fine enough and coarse enough for my budgies to eat. Poured it all into a bowl. And that's what it looked like. Then I added in some red lentils, just some normal lentils, some flax seeds, wild rice. My birds seem to love that. Quinoa, I just used white quinoa, and chia seeds. I also added in some pumpkin seeds. Make sure that when you're adding these things in that none of them have salt or any preservatives. Mixed it up. And this is sort of what it looked like afterwards, sort of a mix of a chop and a seed mix, but these are all healthy seeds. Took out some of the big pieces of lettuce that were left in there and didn't get blended up. And I was done. This is what it looked like after being completely finished. And I just think it turned out really well. I do want to say one thing though. When I say seed-eating parrots, I do not mean parrots that are on a seed diet, although this could possibly be helpful for those kinds of birds. What I actually mean is birds that would naturally eat grass seeds in the wild, such as budgies and cockatiels. And here's just some before, during, and after footage of them eating their food. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time.